in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth speakers to your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, check them back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel, and then on the right side where it says devices, select add a device. Select Bluetooth, and then make sure your devices are properly configured to your network settings as well as powered up. And then you just would follow through the on-screen wizard to finish that up. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.